if your keyboard makes sounds as you type on your iPhone, like that, then I'll be showing you how you can turn off that keyboard sound. So what you want to do is go to Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Sounds and Haptics. And then under that, go to Keyboard Feedback, tap on that. And then here, you should see the option for Sound and Haptics. To turn off sound, simply disable that using that toggle button. And now, when you type, you only get haptics and no sound as the keyboard feedback. And that's basically how you can turn off the keyboard sounds on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.